Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 7th April 2021, and the topic is Unspoken Words. Poetry recital by Mrs. Viji Ramesh.
Anuradha. Words are the soul of thoughts. Thoughts are not always delivered. It sometimes becomes the secret, never ever have to be expressed. But sometimes it becomes a credit, sometimes it becomes a debit. All cannot be spoken out. Beulah. Words of applause bring pleasure, consoling words are treasure. Without any measure, let's find leisure. To avoid many worries, it's better to keep mum. Let's behave like a dumb to avoid many difficulties. Unspoken words in our heart dwell, so sweet they smell, to give vent without any grunt. Following peace and silence, avoiding any ambivalence. To get rid of violence, let's give good guidance. To show our confidence, the more we gain by our silence. Alice P. Unspoken words, mostly secrets. Slaves we are with restrictions. Suppressed not to speak freely, depressed with scoldings harshly. Felt shy and sad to cry, afraid to express, not even to try. Harsh words of beloved souls bring out ever non-stop tears. Till last breath, some mouths locked never to reveal thoughts. My unspoken words forbidden, learn to live with the words hidden. Tanya. My friends don't respond to my messages and calls even when they are totally free. I sometimes think that they give silly excuses and they don't wish to play with me. One says she has to study, another says she is so busy, and the other one keeps her mobile in switch off. This is making me crazy. These guys are as weird as me. Now I can't find anyone weird as them. Sumati. Unspoken agreement, a non-verbal, non-binding agreement, represents a sort of magic in human interaction. Unspoken truth, often felt rather than heard, really bothersome to us, that we refuse to share with our lovables. Never let the painting of your life be regretted with unspoken words. Set yourself free to find the rainbow of peace. Sometimes unspoken words speak the loudest truth. Lokesh. Unspoken words of success are ruthlessness and animal instincts. Unspoken words of failed relationships are self destruction and available options. Unspoken words of history are forgotten heroes and hidden truth. Unspoken words of hunger are nourishment and nutrition. Unspoken words of civilized are hypocrisy and richness. Unspoken words behind a successful vaccine are lab rats and medical mafia. Unspoken words in any language faces extinction. Only poets can be their savior. V.T. Kavita. Unspoken words are always heart's dear ones. It is ever shared in silence without any vigilance. It is conveyed through eye to eyes. Many a time, silence speaks louder than words. It reveals the unshared mental agony. Unspoken words are coined by blood, either sweet or bitter. It undergoes painful experience of not revealing the real thing. Unspoken words are sweeter than spoken as it creates everlasting expectation. If it is understood, the life will be in seventh heaven, and always bow to read the mind than the utter words to enjoy a rainbow life. G. Sarala. Unspoken words are to be judged, by soul and sentenced by mouth, with the environment of interrogatives as to what, where, when, and whom to be spoken. Spoken words spring as waterfalls, motivating greenery love all over, but unspoken words are pressurized, erupt as lava from volcano, curtailing moisture in the heart. Let some unspoken words twinkle as stars ever in dark soul, but spoken words radiate as sun's ray to conclude conflicts. Rather than the unspoken words, do believe to the words spoken, blooming with fragrance to live a hindrance free life. Sabina Salam, Ode to Unspoken Words. With your worldly wisdom I wobble, those visionary eyes made me wonder. Your thinking heart I always hurdle, with your feeling head I frequently fumble. Those solace filled look I surrender and stumble. Your caring nature I am cornered. Your empathic gesture I am left gapped. Your saga of soothing silence, your greatest strength, I stand startled. J. Saranya. They are like atom bombs made by uranium or plutonium. A spark has enough to spoil whole. Every situation crosses without uttering words of angers, so fights pass away with the silence that takes oath to bring one day heavy violence. Casual talks go on in home, mocking one another for joy. A simple laugh leads to heavy fight. Pour all the unfurled angers come out. All the unspoken words exist. Chaos filled with mind, not able to eat or sleep, mind thinking the same thing. They are like atom bombs. Yes, Yamini Priya. Unspoken words of a true relationship ends forever. Unspoken words about success loses its charm. Unspoken words about decisions in the family puts to dilemma. Unspoken words about life's happiness will be tedious. Unspoken words about our career will take diversions. Unspoken words of gratitude doesn't make sense. Unspoken words of injustice is a coward. Unspoken words are neither a blessing nor a curse. Depends on how it's interpreted. Choose wise, sweet words to convey the feelings. Kalyani PR. Unspoken words. Unspoken silence has two faces normally. In extreme happiness, not able to speak firmly. Tongue becomes helpless. Eyes shed tears. Smile from the other side, the conversation lives for years. In extreme anger and continuous failure makes one mad, couldn't express and disappear. All blames and criticism make one to hate. Without speaking anything, he shows in action and part. Whether happy or sad, share with somebody trusted most. May give some pleasure at last. Unspoken words burden the heart. Unspoken words are mostly from good hearts, those don't want to hurt. Unspoken words are like blowing wind, sometimes cool breeze, sometimes violent storm. Deepa B. Unspoken words are better than spoken. They express love as an unbroken token. Better are words that hidden in the heart, avoiding mess in some life's part. Like unspoken words, unheard words too are pleasant, as the speech of crescent, as the hum of butterfly, like our heart's reply. When it is a need, some keep numb by closing all eardrum. That leads to critical situation should be avoided, or else that leads to unnecessary incarnation. Yes, Lakshmi. My unspoken words are lot that will never rot. They are the hidden secret often buried in my heart. Sometimes it's a curse cause it make my mind too worse. Unspoken words block the throat and so it will never come out. My unspoken words resides in unconscious mind and haunts at the dreams of night. But more we compress the unspoken words will come out faster as louder words. Unspoken words gives lot of depression, but writing in this group gives lot of relaxation. Anuradha. Words are the soul of thoughts. Thoughts are not always delivered. It sometimes becomes the secret. Never ever have to be expressed. But sometimes it becomes a credit. Sometimes it becomes a all cannot be spoken out.
Thank you, dear creative writers. Your unspoken words are crystal clear, loud enough, and very much audible. Keep penning.